Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, Patty of Patty's World. If you are new here, hi, welcome to my OGs. Wagwan. Anyway, today I am going to try and vlog. So if you want to see it, I know the vlog did successful. If not, alright, so yeah, sorry about that. I'm supposed to go right now. I'm there in New Jersey. I'm supposed to go New York. I link up with no one, not supposed to. I go New York. I link up with one of my friends. I'm actually outside now. But it's cool because now we on the car. He said that we're outside, but I don't see a car. Anywho, don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna be trying to vlog. Got last night, but too much music the day in the place, so I did a little TikTok, so you can check that out over on TikTok. Too much music, so and it was really crowded, and I just can't bother with people, so I never vlog. I just do my little TikTok. Anyway, but there I wait and I know I can't see no car. Alright guys, summer reach. There I'm in the Bronx. These bricks should look familiar for those who know the Bronx. I'm hungry. I just want to get something to eat. I went for my friend for come. Cause I say when people there find them after work. So yeah. And it's so cold. So don't say me I go give my piece of cussing because I don't want to catch cold. I bring Panadol Mountain symptom with me just in case because I don't want over your cold. Jesus. Brr. Anyway, early in the evening, so don't know what the plans. We're gonna get some food for eat. So I'll touch back bases with you guys and let you know.
Turn right on Needham Avenue.
Just in front of me. Alright, so may I get some food to eat? These are the options. This is the fish, but the fish is over $20. So I changed my mind because I don't want done all of my money. I'm going to get some oxtail. Give me one of the true juice. Fruit punch or orange pineapple? Fruit punch. Alright guys, so buy a true juice and so the food, buy oxtail and mac and cheese and mashed potato. I don't want a rice. It smells good. See how it tastes. When the lady said medium, I want to hear me ask her about coffin box. Macaroni and cheese tastes good. Food tastes good. But yeah, fruit now. Okay, you come back Jamaica sometime I go in a restaurant where them say a Jamaican restaurant, but the food have the Jamaican name them and the Jamaican look, but it don't have the Jamaican taste. Which taste Jamaican? Mashed potato tastes nice too. Tastes good. How much money I spend while I got $21? Because I have to pay extra for the mashed potato because it's a side. I'm gonna take no rice. Just want a lot of money, you know. Much Jamaican money that enough money. So macaroni and cheese tastes good, good. It tastes good. And she never stingy with the gravy either. Although she asked me if I wanted gravy, I'm telling her yeah. And then she just dash out. I'm not even there showing the food before I start eating. I just start eat but sit there. Mash, macaroni and oxtail for this. And this is a medium. 1 pound rum cake is a medium. Alright guys, my belly full. It worth. I don't know. Anyway, my belly full. This is where I'm gonna leave back. Then I wear my massacre. The bone is soft enough. If it is soft enough, I that throw it. But it's not. So I'm gonna leave this for later. Alright. Shake up that juice if you drink it. DNG soda to me, a foreign don't taste good like it tastes good at Jamaica. I could say, oh, the true juice go. Yes, yes, yes. 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 Anyway, them in the supermarket, I still don't like carry wait. Belly full now, feel nice. Might just take a nap. Might just take a nap in the meantime. This happened to any you know. When you finish eating, I feel like I have to chew bubble gum. That happened to me. Time I finish eating, I feel like I need a piece of bubble gum to eat. And I don't eat one whole stick of gum. When I eat one whole stick of gum, I will break one stick in 3. If I feel like I really need for chew gum, then we eat half. But otherwise, and as soon as the juice come out, I eat that it gone. I know some people just chew gum, just a chew along, so I can't do it. And it's not good for your stomach either. It's not good for your stomach, man. That little something of Vaseline, I'm gonna walk around with because we cracky motor go and the place cool. Can't afford to have that. So I have that little Vaseline there. I'm gonna walk around with. I have one chopstick too, you know. But I prefer use Vaseline. One chopstick in my next bag. I prefer use Vaseline. Nothing to me like Vaseline. Yeah. So bubblegum tough. Could you play a score bubblegum? Well set. Alright, so I feel like myself again, belly full, can't complain, food was good. The place named Classic in a Bronx. I can't tell no road, no name, no avenue, no nothing because I don't know, I don't come from this place here. But the food was really good. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, me touch back base with you know when or if I do nothing else.
What we talking, eh?
No, you're not for that. But make sure you come get the food
Boxer! Oh, there you go. But I bet you can't get this one. Let me look. Yeah, womp, 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 womp. All right. Sheep. Womp, 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 womp.
That wasn't bad.
Look at you. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Not even one. All right, come on, watch it now, watch it. Is it? Is it? Sorry. All right, there you go. Wah, wah, wah.
Morning, guys. It's the next day. My face still look puffy. Anyway, it's the next day. Bowling was fun. My finger hurt me though. The ball every bad, but that was fun. You know. Don't know what is the plan for today, but I just wanted to check back in. Oh, before I go bowling, so when I got a restaurant to eat, but there was a lot of music being played in there. Enough people, well, not enough people did in there, but I did kind of feel awkward, so I never vlogged. The restaurant was nice, set up nice and everything. But we got people in there, I never with the video and things. So just showing the food. That food was good as well. The wings were really good. I only had wings because I still kind of full from the oxtail. I'm gonna buy for $21. Anyway, but it's still full from that, so I only had wings. It was sweet chili wings, really, really good. I love how the sauce did sticky on it, and it did nice, really good, really good. And then we left out go bowling, and everything was in walking distance. So yeah, that was good as well. Even though outside it cold, but that was still good. The little walk. So don't know what I'm gonna do today, but a check-in. Alright guys, I forgot I was vlogging. Never gone away. Just eat breakfast and come home back. So I've been home a good while now. I'm gonna eat dinner now, and that is the end of the vlog. Cause obviously we don't eat my dinner, I'm bed and I'm in bed, right? Nothing else there to do. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's short, it's quick, I know, but that's all that I did. So that is what it was. Showing all my eats, and then that will be the end of this vlog. And until the next one.